Almost a year went past before they realized that it should have taken her less than 6 months. Hi, I'm Dane, and I'd like to tell you the story of Janette. Janette works at a local construction company called Nadir, and she's been working there for the past 12 years. Janette is the personal assistant to the CEO, and Janette is on top of everything. Emails from clients, documents from colleagues, accounts, all the rest. She's relied upon by everyone, and in many respects, she holds the business together. You know Janette, don't you? Someone who, if they leave, will leave behind a hole in their business. Janette was offered a fantastic job overseas, and she took it. It took Nadir 6 weeks to find and hire her replacement. But it took her replacement almost a year to get fully up to speed, to know how Janette did her job in all situations. In that time, she spent countless hours searching for documents, interrupting her boss's work to ask questions, and missing deadlines. Nadir didn't collapse entirely, but it sure didn't grow during those 12 months. Instead, it actually took a few steps backwards. We all know stories like this. We know it happens in pretty much all South African businesses, and we accept it as the norm. But the thing is, it doesn't have to be this way. What Nadir needed was one place that Janette could put all of her how do I do it knowledge. They needed an internal tool that they could use, that Janette could use, to document what she does, how she does it, and all the documents needed to do that work. They needed a team knowledge site. Your business needs a team knowledge site, doesn't it? A really good one. This is what we do at Touchdreams. We work with businesses of all sorts to capture how they do what they do, making sure they never again take a step backwards when their team members leave or change roles. If you're curious how we do it, check out our explainer videos on our website, touchdreams.co.za. Our contact details are there as well. So, let's start chatting about getting this done for your business before the person you are thinking about, just like Janette, leaves.